Hey everyone, David here with Headset Advisor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the battery in your 4245 Bluetooth wireless headset that you see here. So let's show you right now. So you have this wireless headset and the battery is no longer lasting 4 to 8 hours of talk time. So what it is you need to replace your battery. There is a lithium ion battery located inside of the earpiece right here. It's very easy. So what you're going to do is you're going to just remove that, and you're going to need a replacement battery. And I'll put a link in the description and also on the card above. But this is a replacement battery. It's available on our website. And then you just will match it up here. It just slides on and off. Get better lighting there. Okay, so you don't start from down here. You kind of go 80% of the way and it'll fit perfectly. Then you just slide to lock it in and you'll see that the light starts to flash on the front. And it is that easy to replace the battery on your 4245 wireless headset. Well, that's all. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for all of the latest headset related content. I really appreciate it, and I hope you have a wonderful day.